I'm Ilyce Glink and I'm the author of a brand new book called Buy, Close, Move In. If you're buying a house this spring and you're a first-time buyer or you haven't owned a house in the last 3 years, you might qualify for an $8,000 first-time homebuyer tax credit. But you gotta move fast. You have to have a signed valid contract by April 30th, and then you have to be able to close on that contract by June 30th to qualify for the $8,000 tax credit. Now, if you've owned a home, if you lived in your home that you were in for 60 consecutive months, 5 years out of the prior 8 years, you might qualify for a $6,500 trade-up tax credit or long-term homeowner tax credit. The $8,000 first-time homebuyer tax credit and the $6,500 trade-up tax credit, they're not loans. They are free money that come back to you. They're called refundable tax credits. Even if you don't owe that much in tax, you still get that check back from the federal government after filing your 2009 or 2010 tax return. There are some specific guidelines that you need to know about these tax credits. You can go to my book, Buy, Close, Move In, where I detail all of the different information about the tax credits, or you can go online to thinklink.com and take a look at some of the rules and regulations that the IRS has set up for these tax credits. There's some very specific rules you don't want to run afoul of, but if you can qualify for either an $8,000 tax credit or a $6,500 tax credit, I urge you to get moving and get those contracts signed. And there's lots more information at thinklink.com and expertrealestatetips.net.